In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find heating lamp on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly locate the right heating lamp for your setup. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Dhgate website. Give the homepage a moment to load fully so all the navigation panels appear. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation area. This is your shortcut to browsing by department without needing to type anything into the search bar. From that left panel, click All Categories. This opens a comprehensive list of departments and subcategories, which makes it much easier to drill down to specialized items. Once the full category list is visible, scroll until you find Pet Supplies, then click it. This moves you into the broader pet section, where equipment for various animals is organized. Inside Pet Supplies, look for the section focused on reptiles. It may appear as reptile supplies or something similar grouped alongside other pet types. Select that area to narrow the results to products designed for terrariums and enclosures. Within the reptile-focused options, click on Terrarium Heat Lamps and Mats. This is the specific category that gathers heating solutions such as ceramic heat emitters, infrared bulbs, clamp lamps, and under-tank heat mats. Opening this page will display a wide range of listings from different sellers. Now browse the options to find the heating lamp that fits your needs. You'll see different types: ceramic emitters that provide steady heat without light, infrared bulbs that supply warmth with a glow, and heating mats for gentle under-enclosure warmth. Match the wattage to your enclosure size, check the socket type, commonly E26 or E27, and confirm the voltage is appropriate for your location. If a thermostat is recommended, the listing will often mention it. Use the filters to refine by price, rating, or shipping location, and sort by orders or reviews to surface reliable choices. Click into product pages to read full descriptions and specifications. Look for details like temperature range, material quality, and safety notes. Scan customer photos and reviews for real-world results, and check the seller's feedback score and the number of completed orders to gauge reliability. Also review shipping timelines and return policies so you know what to expect before you commit. That's all there is to it. Go to the site, open all categories, navigate to pet supplies, select the reptile section, choose terrarium heat lamps and mats, and then compare options to find the right heating lamp for your setup. Follow these steps and you'll locate exactly what you need with confidence.